Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, because I got a holiday of week and a half, I'm giving myself 9 days to make this website look better. So let's get into it. Let's create the app. So do cd, what should I call it? Let's do my school. And let's do not city. Why city? Okay, so I know why I messed up there. It was actually NGU. So I named the project like my school, and then I wanted to do it standalone, but I didn't know how to do that. So I ended up searching on the internet, and then I didn't find how to make that. So I left it like that, and I was gonna add standalone later if I need it, which apparently I did not need it. So, because you're gonna see in the video. Okay, so here's the plan. We first need to put the logo, the phone number, and the name. In between the name and the phone number, we need to turn all of these buttons into separate drop-downs to put them in between here. After that, we need to put all of those sponsors and then hardcode all of the news that were put on the website. This is gonna be really hard. Okay, so I started off with the image at the top, and it took me 50 minutes just to make it show up, because I know where this code worked and the other code did not work. Okay, so I was editing this, and I'm not dumb, I just noticed why it did not work. After that, I started the logo, edit the phone number and the name. Okay, now that I've managed to get a photo, the phone number and the name up here, the next step is to group all of this into different folders. So after going outside, eating a really good ice cream made by my sister, and 30 minutes of work, I got this. Okay, so as you can see, I managed to put all of the options that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4 options, 5. And if I come over here, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. I hard-coding them in here. I didn't have any other option, and it took me half an hour to find out how to make these drop downs, because it was so hard. So now we just gotta style them. So the styling would be something like this, as you can see out here. You got this one and this one, and it comes like this. So yeah. Okay, so just to know, I made the plan and everything in Figma, but I don't know where's the footage. I think I deleted, I don't know. And I know you can't see really good on the screen what it's on the screen, but you will see later when I record with the OBS directly on my laptop. So after a bit of work, I managed to get this. I know my head is in the way, but that's the best shot I could get. It was recorded on my phone because I was still outside. Now on day 2, I decided to make the site look better on the phone as well as on the big screen, but it did not work because I didn't really know how to do that. So yeah, you can imagine it. So on day 4, I decided to make the logo an image of myself, because I can't do the whole website out so you can see really the results. So yeah, and then after that, I added the sponsors. On day 8, I added what you see on the side, and I did add the other things that are writing because yeah, I was too lazy to do that.